Yeah, so like I said, the trend is very, very important. You understand? We always like to analyze in favor of the trend. And recently, I've kind of like reshuffled to where I trade. You understand? I'll get into that. So I've always been using the 4 hours framework, the 4 hours time frame. You understand? The 4 hours time frame. I always like to go with um the trend on the 4 hours. Can everybody hear me? Can everybody see my screen? Are we all good?
We are good.
Can
We're
everybody
good.
hear
We're
me?
good.
we're
Bro.
good.
Wow. How were you kicked out? Shady. I didn't kick you out. Hold on. Sharing might be your network, so. Might be your network, Shady. Might be your network.
Maybe it's his network.
Yeah, it says someone kicked him out. I didn't kick him out. I don't think anybody has power to kick him out. So anyway, back to what I was saying. We're on the daily support, yeah, which gives buyers an upper hand because that is their level, that is their zone. So, but regardless, the market is bearish. So there's no major significance that market has shifted. You understand? There's no a major shift in structure yet. You understand? So two things can happen. Price should break this 4 hours low and indicate a continuation to the. Once price break this 4 hours low, it will indicate a continuation to the downside. You understand? Secondly, we can begin to anticipate a shift in structure, which will be seen on the 30 minutes. And so far, so good. The 30 minutes has not given us that shift yet. You understand? The 30 minutes have not given us that shift yet. This is the last high. This is the last high for the 30 minutes. So price has not broken it yet, and price has not even started creating a. Sorry, hold on. So price has not given us, for you to have for you to say market is on an uptrend, you have to see what we call higher highs and higher lows. So currently we don't even have any higher low. Neither do we have a higher high. Please mute that your sound. So currently we don't have a higher low. Neither do we have a higher high. So there's no indication that price is becoming bullish. You understand? There's no indication that price is actually bullish. We are still much in a bearish structure. We are still much in sales. You understand? We are still much in a sell market. So we should be looking more of sell. So this is the reason why I wanted us to sell. So we've seen the M pattern already formed. Then price give that slight retest. But I don't know. There's no news today. I don't think there's news on USD today. Okay, there's news on USD by 2:30. There's news on USD by 2:30. So let's see if that will give us a slight retest. Then we can short. But this sell will just be a scalping. Let me see how many pips. Let me see if the risk reward is worth it. The sell will probably be like a scalping. Probably down to this place. Okay, it's worth it. We'll be having like our entry has to be a little bit higher. I have to average somewhere here. The stop loss will have to be 30 pips. So the stop loss will have to be 30 pips. The TP will be like 80 to 90 pips, just like our last trade. The TP will be like 80 to 90 pips. So yeah, this should be the setup. Yeah, this should be the setup for GBP USD. Right, then for gold, gold has not really given me something to look. So gold is not yet in my zone. So according to, you guys know, I like to use fib zone a lot. So according to my 4 hours, gold has been giving us an uptrend. Sorry, mute. Please mute too. I don't want to have to disrupt in the class. So gold has been on an uptrend. You start from the 4 hours. So we had this current break of structure here. We had this break here recently. price broke that high. Broke that high and give us a new high here. From the 4 hours, price hit that from the 4 hours. So now I was expecting price to push back into this fib level. Then we get that continuation to the upside. You understand? Price should push back into that fib level to get that continuation to the upside. Then, but on the 30 minutes, that is not happening on the 30 minutes. You understand? On the 30 minutes, it's giving us a downtrend. You understand? On the 30 minutes, price is giving us a downtrend. So in this case, I want to go, if I want to trade today, no, this won't be a high probability trade because the 30 minutes and the 4 hours are both not doing the same thing, right? So this is not a high probability trade. So in this kind of case, you always want to reduce your risks very well if you want to trade in. If you want to take this kind of setup, you always want to reduce your risks very, very well. So but we have to go with, because we are a day trader and also scalper, so we have to probably go with the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes is giving us an internal structure. So we already have an internal structure which is sell, which is bearish. You understand? Because we already have this change in structure. Yeah, price gave it that change. Yeah. Price gave it that break. Yeah, was a change. You understand? So we had that change of structure there. Then price became bearish. So now price broke that low and also broke this low. You understand? So we already know that, okay, price is on the 30 minutes. We're having a sell market. You understand? So on the 30 minutes, you're having a sell. We're having a sell market. So now we already have this resistance given to us already here, this high. You understand? This high given to us already, yeah. So it's left for us to look for an entry signal. In this case, you always want to be looking for an entry signal. So I'll probably be looking at. So we already have on the 15 minutes, we already have the M pattern signaling, okay. The M pattern signaling a sell continuation. Let me see something. Let me calculate this, if the risk will be worth it. If I will call this trade. If the risk is not worth it, I'm not taking it too. This is like a 1. This is a 1 to 2. And let me see. Hold on. Let me see if there's a probability that price pushes up more. Already have this sweep. Then that's, yeah, we should be seeing that. We should be seeing that drop. We should be seeing the sell happen. So gold, my bias on gold is to sell. My bias on gold is sell. The stop loss should be properly put above here. This should be where the stop loss is. I'm not going to lie. That stop loss should be there. Above the high. That entry will be coming from 26.71. That entry will be coming from 26.71. That entry will be coming from 26.71. For gold, so I have this sell. I think there will be a sell limit there. Then 26.71. Then TP should be around 2660. So that's my bias for gold. But like I said, this is not a high probability setup. I'll prefer to even take more of GU than gold. This is not a high probability setup because the 4 hours and the 30 minutes are both not trending the same way. You understand? The 4 hours and the 30 minutes are both not trending the same way. So if we're going to be taking gold, we are going to be reducing our risks very well. We are going to be risking. You're going to be risking less on this gold. You understand? So secondly, Yeah, that's for gold and GBPSD. And GBPJPY bearish too. GBPJPY bearish too. Stand bearish. Let me see something. Hold up. Or rather, I even go with this. This looks interesting. This is very, very interesting. Dan. Good. I think GJ is the best. GJ is the setup we'll be going with. I'd rather go with GJ. I think I'd rather go with GJ. I'd rather just go with GJ. But GJ, your stop loss will be probably like 40 pips. So you take profits. To take profits will be like 200. Yeah. You take profits will be this low. So the stop loss will be like 40 pips. So I'd rather go with GJ and GU. I'll leave gold. I'd rather go with GJ and GU because GJ, the 4 hours is trending. This is exactly my kind of setup. You understand? This is exactly the setup I like to see. 4 hours is bearish. We have price on a fib level. Price is rejecting from a fib level. We also have the 30 minutes also signaling a bearish structure. So we just have to see if we can get that maybe one candlestick spike, that one candlestick retracement up a bit so that we can have a better stop loss. You understand? If I say we should enter now, the trade has gone. You understand? The trade has gone and the stop loss will be wide. That stop loss will be wide. I'm always focusing on risk to reward. I can't increase him. So let's see if we can get that minor retracement for GGO. I'm focusing on GJ and G. I'm going to leave gold. GJ and G is better. The probability, the setup is better than gold. You understand? The high probability setup than gold. So we'll be looking at focusing on GJ and G. Those are the setup for today, GJ and G. So you guys want to talk to me? Any questions you guys want to ask? Some of you have been. Is there any question?
I have a question, boss.
Yeah.
Like from the setup you just show us now between GBP and JPY.
Yeah.
Like I thought you said that when the market retraced between 0.79 to 0.618 and then form like a time pattern.
It's on 618. Can you see it's almost touching the 618. That's why I put it there. It's almost touching the 618. You understand? It's almost, so that's why I'm even calling it. So let's see if we can get that retracement. It's almost touching the 618. You understand? So I'll call GG. I'm focusing on GG and G. My eyes will be on GG and G. Yeah. Then once it's ready, I'm going to give it out. So you guys should keep an eye on it. You understand? I'm going to keep an eye on GG and G. You know, the setup will follow. I'll follow up on it. It can play out today. It might not play out today. So, but anytime it play out, surely we must accept the trade leave us. But my eyes on this GG and G. These are high probability setups. You understand? And it's a very good setup.
Minion.
A very good setup. Yeah, Alpha, Pastor Alpha.
Hey, boss. I do. Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, sir.
I just loyal. Now see that your G, I beg. I don't join class.
That's
your GU.
Okay, GU. I'm still looking at stuff. It's GU, boy. GU has finally left us already.
Because I see her for morning.
Yeah, GG has left us. Our best bet is on GJ. GJ can just give us a slight retracement. It's possible, which I'm just hoping on she gives us a slight retracement. So my best bet is on GJ. For GU, I feel like it's gone already. It's few picks though.
It's gone already. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, you're on it, right? It's already like 40 picks, so GU is quite gone already. But we're focusing on GJ. I'm going to leave gold because gold is not quite, the setup is not high probability. You understand? Gold 4 hours is trending as on an uptrend, while the 30 minutes is on a downtrend. So it's a low probability setup. But GJ, everything is trending bearish. So the sell is quite, the sell is high probability sell. So we should be able to make money on GJ. You understand? Then I'll be giving signals on BTC. You understand? You guys have, I didn't run BTC setup because I'm not used to giving BTC setup. You understand? And this is like, I just started trading it as of recent. I've just been, though I used to analyze it, I used to give it out. I used to analyze it and give my predictions. You understand? But I've not actively been trading it. So I just started trading. So I'll be dropping setups on it. You understand? It's just that for BTC years, you guys might not really understand the setup, but whatever, I'll just post the setup and send the signal once it's ready. Then also, for my students, some of you are having lots of problems. Like, I don't know if you do, maybe when we are teaching, when I used to teach, you guys used to practice. So after the class, you guys will not take Forex serious. You guys will not be realizing lots of mistakes.
I beg you, Minion, they teach, take us serious, so
what I'll just do is this. This is what I'll do. I'll do a 1 week crash course for you guys, all of you. So
thank you, sir.
I don't know the week yet. It should be a 1 week but not back to back, just 3 days. You understand? So
yeah,
I don't know. I think it should be ending of the month. Just a crash course so that you guys.
Ending of the month is okay.
Ending of the month should be okay. Then just a crash course.
Cannot cover a lot now when you do 3 days for us. Make it.
It's not meant to cover everything. Now I want me to cover everything for you.
Just make it for this. Make it for
you want me to cover everything, you're going to pay for covering class.
So I'm not going to.
Then you follow each of the cake, I beg.
So it's not going to cover everything. It's just going to be. I'm not going to focus on risk management. Then I'm going to give you guys like a simple trading method so you guys just follow. So understand as a beginner, you guys can just be able to follow that and try to. If you stick to that, I think that should work for you.
But you said something now. When you start the class, you said you find another setup that you will tell us. You said you find another means to how to analyze the market. You said you find another means.
When
you said something. Yeah, when you started the class, you said you find another. There's some that you are fine tuning your strategy. That okay.
Yeah. I've done it now. Yeah. But I'm not going to.
I have another question.
You don't want to go in depth.
I can't promise you that I'll go in depth or anything because I already have advanced class I'm currently taking. So we are currently doing that. So, but what I'm going to promise is this: I'm going to give you guys a method that you guys can follow. Guess you guys forgot, but like I said, my strategy still revolves around. I just fine tune it to. Based on my entry, how I enter, my entry method is just different. But my strategy still revolves around fee. You understand?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Where is it? Which one?
Your stacking pattern.
Hold on.
Should go teach for the bootcamp. Should go teach your stacking pattern for. Thank you. I don't want.
Yeah. So it's just. Sorry, hold on. Give me a second, guys. So back to what I was saying. So like I said, the bootcamp just 3 days. So we'll try to cover risk management and also because you guys are really lacking in that area, risk management. You guys are lacking in that area. You guys are really lacking in that risk management here. So risk management, then a simple method for you guys to follow. You understand? So that you guys can, be able to. Some of you are doing fine, very well. Some of you are doing fine. Then some of you are just having minor, and those minor mistakes are what is just fucking up you guys' trading system. Those minor mistakes, which is so, it's just very minor. You understand? Sometimes I'll see your analysis. You get the trend right. You get some things right, but your entry, or some of you don't even have it. You guys don't have it, so you just enter trade from anywhere you see, which is bad. You understand? So I'll just try to give you guys a method that you guys can follow them, risk management and all that. I'll try to cover up as much as possible. You understand? Then that will be all. They'll focus on GJ, but I just pray this GJ should not leave me. He should not swear. But I know one thing I've learned is patience. So I'm just going to be patient on this GJ and just see if we can get that slight retracement back to our entry point. Then we are going to look. Then I'm going to call the trade. You understand? So that will be all for now. If you guys want to start throwing your questions at me, we can start throwing your questions at me before we close.
I have another question, boss.
Yeah.
Will there be a trade concerning the upcoming inauguration?
Yeah, the CPI. Upcoming what?
Like the inauguration of Trump. Like
yes. There will be. We'll see. I think I'll host another class before the inauguration. You understand? So I can tell you guys what to expect. But just expect that the dollar will be quite strong. Anything you do, just expect that the dollar will be quite strong. Then also, CPI is tomorrow. So markets might give you, because one thing I've noticed, the day before fundamentals, we always get some funny movements on USDPS. You understand? Market might move funny, so that's why I'll still even stick to GJ. The more reason I'll stick to GJ. So I get some quite funny movement on USDPS the day before any big news. So the CPI tomorrow. So any of you that is trading the news, either with Harvey or on your own, always follow risk management. You guys always throw risk management out of this. Especially once you see signal, you just forget about risk management and just throw whatever outside you want to throw, and you end up blowing your account.
One thing I'm also lacking is how to trade with the news. I still don't know.
Yeah. Okay, I'll cover that on the bootcamp. You understand? I'll cover that on the bootcamp. I'll cover that on the bootcamp. Just make sure you join it. You understand? So that should be it for now. What else again do you guys want to talk about?
Where will you drop the signal?
Once it's ready, I'll drop it. Once it's
Is it on WhatsApp?
On the Telegram, on this Telegram channel.
That's November.
No, my Telegram channel. If you are not on my Telegram channel, just be on the Telegram, my Telegram channel. Yeah.
I don't know if I've joined your Telegram.
I'll send you the link if you've not joined. Yeah?
Okay. Send me the link, please.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, can I share my screen?
Can
I share my screen? No more screen.
Where do you want to show your screen?
So you can help me to correct my mistake.
Today is not class now. I'm not having class today. Why you want to share? You want me to enter class? There's no class.
No, just to show you.
Don't show me. There's no class. Don't show me. There's no class.
I'm having issue with this entry of the team.
Chino's alright. You told me about it. I'll do it here. You told me about it. So your entry is based on two things. Market is using it for liquidation. Number one. Number two, you are not trading the right zone. Market is just using it to liquidating you. Use it as liquidity. We sweep you and go your direction. It happened to me. You understand? That is like when I saw your trade, it's like that means you have improved a lot. You understand? That's like you really improved for you to get to that point where you are having that kind of issue. You understand? So once you're able to clear that issue, your next problem will just be probably risk management or maybe you just be facing
I'm not
this
looking at that.
technology. So concerning that, it just like I said, market is just using it as liquidity grab. You understand? Then secondly, just so for you to avoid that, you understand, just make sure you have a zone you are using to enter a trade. Let's say, like me now, I use FIB. So if you are using FIB, make sure you focus on FIB. I'll send it here. So you just make sure you focus on FIB. Or if you're using whatever you're using for your zone, just focus on it. Then before you enter your trade, make sure you have some kind of confirmation. Like you see now, don't enter aggressively. Don't be an aggressive trader. You understand? So another thing to avoid that. So like you see now, you can see that before. Normally, if I saw this trade here,
Yes.
as an aggressive trader, you enter it from here, right? But if you're not going to be aggressive, you'll probably just wait for, as this thing has break this low now, this minor low. You look at this minor low here.
Yes.
As you break it, you wait for that slight retest to happen. That's what we are waiting for now before you enter the trade. So the same thing I did on that BTC USD you saw me on. So you see that BTC USD. I think you were trying to enter from here, right? But market liquidated you ahead. Yes. So what I just did was I waited for it to give me a high. Then I just saw that slight retest before I entered and continue to trade up. You understand? So that is just an easy way to avoid stuff like that. If you don't understand liquidity. But once you understand liquidity concept very well, you'll be good at entering your sniper. You understand? But that is just it for that. So, but if you can master that, try to focus on that your entry. You understand? Be patient for your entry, for you to confirm your entry before you enter the trade. Don't enter aggressively. Or if you want to enter aggressively, you can enter with, let's say if you want to enter one lot, you understand? You can enter with 0.3. Then wait until you've confirmed that this trade wants to go in your direction. Then once you've confirmed that the trade wants to go in your direction, you can now start adding more lot size.
Okay.
You understand? So that will save you from not doing stress. So that is just it concerning that. Any other question?
Thank you.
Any other question? Are we all good?
What's up?
Yes, bro, we are all good. Yes, boss.
Yeah, so I'll just wait
Pastor, yes, sir. When can I start having my one-on-one mentor?
I beg, leave this guy first. this guy don't graduate in already years. So when I want
no, let me know what I thought. You don't active for WhatsApp?
Yeah, I'm active now. Once DJ is ready, I'll call it out on the Telegram channel. So just stay tuned for GJ. We are focusing on GJ. That's what we're focusing on. G has quite gone. For GJ, we can see. I'm still sure. I'm still positive that we'll get an entry on DJ. Right? So I'll see you guys. My advanced students will see tomorrow. Then the rest.
You have to send me the Telegram.
Yeah. So then we'll see before CPI again. I don't know if I'll drop the setup on before CPI, but we'll see before the inauguration. We'll see before the inauguration. I'll have a live class before the inauguration. So I'll see you guys later on. Yeah, everybody be safe.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Thank you.